with or without the conflict in the Middle East, the Philippine National Police um, is standing firm, especially in our commitment to keep the public safe and there's peace and order in our community. The threat in our country is nabibilang lang naman sa tao. Of course, one threat is because of criminal gangs and criminal groups. Second is the threat committed or perpetrated by left-wing group or the communist terrorist group. And the third one is the Islamic group. Nandiyan ang DI Islamia, DI Maesh, and others. And so far, here in our jurisdiction, we are monitoring, of course, non-stop this group. Of course, nandiyan natin ang intelligence community at nakapaano yan. And aside from that, we are looking at the different organizations, different their establishments, and the particular personalities. Yun ang kailangan natin bantayan or secure. What are those? Nandiyan ang ating US Embassy, nandiyan ang ating Israel Embassy, nandiyan ang US and Israel first VIPs, the ambassador, etc. And yung establishment nila and the activities. So kailangan natin secure. Tuloy-tuloy naman yun. Not only them, but of course tayo na because we are allied to these two countries and the rest of the countries that are allied to them.